Hello, welcome to my latest video. Tonight I'll be doing a haul from the Poundland. This bag came from the Poundland. It's fantastic. It actually says more issues than Vogue. Fantastic. Couldn't say no to that. So let's have a look what we've got in the bag. Oh, Rufus has jumped on. Come and say hello. What's Mummy got? Halloween spider. Isn't that fantastic? The colours are incredible. There you go. There we are. Do you want it? I hope he likes it. This is from the Pound range. The skeletons are dancing by the looks of it, doing the can-can, 3 of them. Getting very excited for the Halloween ball. These were only £1. Fantastic. Scented tissues. These are eucalyptus scented. They are fantastic if you have a cold. They do smell beautifully. Love them. Menthol. This also is another treat for the dog. Frankenstein's monster. That's for you. Frankenstein, of course, being the doctor who made the monster. These I love. I'm getting through quite a few of these at the minute. I bought this one because I had not seen the flavour before. I've seen them in strawberry or chocolate. This one is blackcurrant and blueberry. So I tend to make these the day before I'm using them. So the granola at the top goes soft in the yogurt. I don't know if it matters whether you do that or whether you're supposed to eat it while the granola is crunchy. I'm sure you can probably do either, but I absolutely love it when it's gone soft. So really looking forward to trying that. This is a fabric refresher from Woolite. It is for things like curtains, coats, maybe things that you wouldn't normally want to wash all the time but might need a bit of refreshment. So yeah, here we are. Fantastic. I like Poundland makeup. These are some of the bigger brands that use Poundland to move their end of season stock. So here we have a L'Oreal lip liner. This might probably be about £5, £6, something like that, and obviously £1. Fantastic. This is for my phone. It is nearly a Tudor rose. It's a nice bit of bling there to put in the end of the phone. Again, only £1. Here we are. This is another one of their makeup range. This was actually only 50p when it rang through. It's actually Max Factor. And that is an eyeliner in that shade. So looking forward to trying that. We have a reed diffuser. These can retail between £5 and £15. This one, £1. Can't say no to a bargain like that. This is very special. I have to show you discreetly because Rufus is in fact next to me, but this is going to be his Halloween outfit. It is a little vampire cape. So Rufus will be dressing up as a vampire this Halloween. I'm sure he's thrilled with that. This is Bath jelly, raspberry bath jelly. It has the texture and consistency of the type of jelly you would eat. Obviously it's not meant for eating, but it does smell beautifully of raspberry jelly. So that'd be fun to try in the bath. £1.50. These I got to try. Walker's fish and chip flavour. I haven't tried them yet. You can see the bag is open. That's because my son found them. He did try them and he did like them. That's why another pack has now gone missing. These also have been found by my son. Cookies and cream Milky Bar. I love the Milky Bar. I'm old enough to remember the Milky Bar Kid as well. These have a soft filling. Again, I haven't tried them, but my son loved them. Highly recommended by him. Last but one more. This is a dupe for the Body Shop banana conditioner. So rather than paying about £8, this is just £1. It is lovely. It is a good everyday hair conditioner. And last but not least, I couldn't say no to my favourite, the Jawed pen. I absolutely love these. Every time I go to the Poundland, I get one. And this is another one for the collection. Well, that's all that's in the bag. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I cannot tell you how much it means. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.